Welcome to A Walk with the Bees. This is a monthly series that I put out in order for you to see what our bees are interested in terms of forage so that you can become a more informed beekeeper.
Right now, our bees are interested in winter being over. In preparation for spring, which will be coming in the next 3 weeks or so, I do a late winter check on all of our hives. As a beekeeper, it is up to you to decide how you want to manage your hives, if you want to manage your hives for splitting or for honey production. What I am looking for during this late winter check is their winter stores. That means I am checking the white sugar stores I provided them in the fall. I will also be adding some pollen patties to the tops of their hives so that they can ramp up their brood production in preparation for spring splits. Right now we have a abnormally warm February day, and so this is allowing me to get out and check all of my bees while they're out of their winter cluster. I'm also checking the state of some of our early blooming trees. Trees to anticipate blooming here in the next week or two would be silver maple. We also have Callery pear that is an early bloomer. And then some of our fruit trees, like peaches, are an early bloomer as well. These early blooming trees provide the natural food sources that kickstart the production of brood for the spring flow.
Thank you all for watching. If you're interested, put any forage that you are noticing starting to wake up and what state that is located in so that we can all stay informed as we watch spring slowly move north.